to close your eyes. And 1, 2, 3. Yan! Oh my God.
I'm going to show them. Look, it's my tea set.
Yeah.
If you want to join us, just come in here. Just come in us. Come on,
Yeah.
this house and we live at Genesis.
You live at Jenny's.
Okay, I'm going to open this.
Alright.
Oh, you want to open this?
What's
I want another
next?
package.
We got a little surprise, always and forever. What is this? What is this? It says soft mild. This is kinda. Oh, it's a hairbrush.
Oh.
Ooh, this is really cool.
Yeah,
Oh, and it
yeah.
comes with a makeup band, makeup
makeup
headband.
See?
It's just pretty cool, right?
See? You can also comb your hair with this. And it comes with an extra.
Oh yeah, that's really cool. Oh, extra clean. You can also clean it with it. That's really
Yeah.
cool. All right.
And you can also comb your hair with it.
Yeah, that's nice.
My hair is so soft.
Oh yeah.
It's so
Okay.
easy to comb.
Let's look for other
Like a
stuff.
shampoo. Oh.
What else we gonna have? Open this. You can open this small one.
Thank you.
You're
Can I open the
welcome.
small one?
Yep.
Okay.
Take your time.
I'm excited. Nothing, Mom. I didn't talk about anything. Oh, this is so hard to open. Oh.
All right. Let's see what else we got today.
Mom, can you use the knife to open this, Mom?
Hmm?
Can you use the knife to open this? Oh,
Oh, you cannot use a knife.
no, that. Thank you.
Oh, you're gonna do it like this. Oh.
Oh. Oh, right.
Okay, so what we got? We got,
Extra.
what is that? Let's see. We got a full HD webcam.
Oh, you buy. What is a webcam?
Something that it's a camera on your computer or laptop. And we also got another massage gun. It's actually our third massage gun that we have.
Yeah.
We got. Yep. Yep.
I put the pillowcase on top of my toy.
What else we got?
I haven't seen. Okay. So now this is hold up.
What we got? And also we got.
Oh, my
What
favorite.
is this? What is this? Do you know what is this? Can you guess?
You know what is this? I don't know what it is because this
It
house
says-
is so open.
It's a incense burner. Oh, that sounds great. Let's see what they got inside. Oh wow.
Oh wow! Look.
Oh, this is really cool. Look. Oh my goodness. This is such a cute decoration.
This is going in my room.
Yep. It's really cool, huh? Alright. We will test it later.
Yeah, we'll test it later.
Yeah.
Mom, you forgot
So
to
watch
eat.
out for our testing video.
Yeah, watch out about testing the user. Mom,
Be careful with that, huh?
careful with the phone.
Can I open this?
Yeah,
Is it
I
here?
want to open that. This one is too hard to open.
Okay.
Let's see
So-
what we got.
What we got?
An iPhone 12.
No, this is an iPhone 12.
What
What
is
is this? It's a Gamma multicolor illuminated performance gaming mouse pad. Wow! It's a mouse pad.
Mom, I'm putting this in my room.
That's for ano sa may computer room,
Oh.
okay? Yeah. Not everything is for your room.
This
Alright. Yeah.
A phone case.
What we got?
A phone
Alright, we
case.
also got a phone case for iPhone. iPhone
12.
iPhone 12. It's also compatible with iPhone 11.
Yeah, iPhone 11. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Can you please pick it up for me? You're good. You're good.
Oh, I forgot to have an extra.
And also we get some. Yeah. Alright, so we also actually get another gaming mouse pad because I actually got two of them in different variations or different colors. So
Yeah.
alright.
So see.
What else?
Mom, can I open
So this is the biggest box that we have today. So,
Mom, you almost missed me.
oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, girl.
That's the biggest box. Oh, don't you opening?
Yeah, but it's not really. It's alright.
Let's see. I want to see something. It's pink.
Whoa, whoa,
What
whoa,
is
whoa.
it?
What we got?
What is it?
We got some. Some 4 pieces of bath towels. Yeah.
Mom, can I use the gray one? Can I use the gray one?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright guys, so that's our unboxing video today. And watch out for
Yeah.
our product reviews, each of these. And you can also buy this. Just go to the comment section. I will post the link where you can purchase these items. Alright?
Yes, you can purchase your items and go to and subscribe and hit the notification button.
Notification.
So hey guys, so today we're opening package with my mommy. Can you
Hey guys. So today we have.
Mom,
It's okay. I don't wanna in the video.
Mom.
I'm good. Hey guys. So we
Oh.
have an additional packages that arrived today because UPS was late. So actually we received like 16 packages today.
Yeah.
So today we're going to
Open
see
it.
what's inside the packages and how cool they are. Here.
Open it,
Let me open
Mommy.
it.
Oh.
What do you got? Oh, it's a skull ice cube. You can make an ice cube that looks like a skull. That sounds great.
Oh, I tell it the pieces.
What is that?
Yes, Mom.
This is the same one that we had received a while ago. It's a comb. I got 2 of them, so yeah,
Yeah.
we got 2. All right. What is this?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the charger, a PS5 charging station. You can actually save two controller on it. So yeah.
Mom.
So this is my gift to my husband because yeah, he loves playing with PS5. So yeah, this is definitely cool.
Is it a trampoline?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, I think so.
So hey guys, there's nothing inside now because we already opened it.
Daddy will definitely assemble this if this is the trampoline. Yeah, I think so. It is. Oh, not really.
What is it?
It is the one I got. It's a kitchen
Tray?
organization. Something like this or thing.
Where does the trampoline go to come?
There you go. It's
Where does the trampoline go
a
to
kitchen
come?
shelf.
When is it?
Well, trampoline will come here tomorrow, I guess. So there's a lot more coming, so we have to watch out for that. Alright. Bye.
Hit that notification button and look at TikTok and you'll see how much followers I have. Bye!